Welcome to Untold Delicacy. Today's recipe is a festive beverage that we have in Holi, Thandai. This fiber rich recipe is a cooling agent and acts as an antioxidant in summers. Ingredients that you need for this are melon seeds, pistachios, poppy seeds, cashew nuts, almonds, dried rose petals, cardamom, saffron, fennel seeds, black pepper, and khand or sugar. So let's get started with the recipe. Heat a pan for 2 to 3 minutes and then switch off the flame. Add all the ingredients one by one. Start with adding dry fruits and then add other ingredients like khaskhas. Give it a good stir, then add black pepper and cardamom. Again, stir it well. You can do it with your hands or use a ladle for it. Then add the dried rose petals and again mix it well. Once this is done, then in the end you need to add saffron. Make sure that it's added in the end. And again stir it well in the mixture. Now the next step is to pour this mixture into a grinder and turn it into a powdered mix. This Thandai mix can be used for another 1.5 to 2 months, and you can keep it safe in a steel container in a refrigerator. To make the Thandai milk, add 2.5 spoons of this mixture into milk and stir it well. Then keep it aside for an hour and then again add it in a mixer beater, add some ice and give it a good shake. Your Thandai is ready. Follow us for more such interesting recipes.